How to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your LinkedIn application. Now, tap on your profile icon from your top left corner. Go to settings. Now, now you will find an option of help center. Go over there. So after that, what you will have to do is simply search for delete delete my account, and then you will find an option of close account. Tap on that button, tap on continue, select a reason why you want to remove, and then enter your password, select done, and your account will be removed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next